It's very uncomfortable posting red days. Like it almost feels like, I don't know, it's like, hey, look at me, I failed. But hopefully it helps people out by showing like this is freaking hard. So we just keep chugging along and trying to do what we can. I just had bad entries today. I jumped in on a move that was happening that I thought was going to happen and should have obviously got in sooner at a better entry, and I probably wouldn't have had to hold it as long. That's just a note for going into the future that I shouldn't wait. If I feel good about a trade, I should just try to take it instead of waiting too late and then jumping in when half the move's already done. Because then I'm going to be chasing a move that's not going to happen, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I tried. I was in profit, but I was trying to squeeze a little more out of it, but obviously wasn't going to get there because half the move was already over when I jumped in. And what you're seeing on the screen right now, it looks like it's just going to keep going up, which is what we wanted, but we didn't have enough room on this account, so we kind of got liquidated. So tomorrow we'll start attempt number 5, which, I mean, it's whatever. At least we can get like 90% off an account right now instead of just resetting this one. We'll just let this one reset on its own next month. And I think I'm just gonna try the 25K account because the profit, it's the only account that has the same profit as the trailing loss, which is 1,500 either way. Everything else has a higher profit than what the trailing loss is. So we'll start on that, probably only using like 2 or 3 contracts at a time, but also going down to 1 trade a day and just going with our gut and our instinct on what we think is best instead of waiting. Yeah, another thing I need to watch out for with trading 1 trade a day is not expanding my risk limit, which some can say I already hold on too long, but if I know I'm only trading 1 trade, I know that I'll probably be like, well, it's only 1 trade, so let me move this stop a lot further than what I would normally do because it's only 1 trade. I need to make sure I don't do that. So I don't know. If you want to watch me lose some money, continue watching. If not, catch you guys tomorrow with the start of a fresh account, number 5. And this one might be it. See you guys later. I'm going long here. I just, on like 15, we have like this little W pattern going on. We broke up above it, then came down and kind of tested the middle of it, and now working our way back up. ES was doing the same thing. Should have got in when we were down here at 90 on this volume, but I hesitated. And then as it was moving in my direction, decided now's a good time. I definitely should have got in at 90 with my first instinct. So that looks like the bottom of this range that we're creating. Like we're about to be testing these highs, but it'd be great if we could break through them. Looking good on ES. But we have been noticing lately disconnect between the two. On the daily, we're having a hard time getting past this 25 level from this wick. But, I mean, if we could, 37, 38's in the picture. We're just chopping around right now. We're trying to get back up in this range over here on ES. Which we are. Well, I guess that's our account. I got in this move too late. I saw it happening. Thinking about it back here. I know it doesn't really mean anything because we missed it. But I have a tendency of thinking about moves and talking myself out of them, and then when they start to happen, I'm like, well, I was right. And then I jump in, and then it's too late. Had we jumped in at this volume around 90, could have added one, then added the second one as it was in our, like, moving in our direction, and probably got what we wanted out of this. Or at least secured something and been done with our one trade. However, now we start all over, which when we're down on an account, I don't really care to start over because it's like you're starting ahead based on the account that you're down with. So this movement this week though is rough. But at the same time, I saw this move. I just didn't take it right away. So sometimes I think when I jump on the charts, like I make a decision too quickly, but then like I talk myself out of executing the trade and then it plays out. So maybe I need to just go with my first thought. I don't know. I feel like I've said that before. And over on ES, this is what I wanted to happen. On NASDAQ, it just didn't happen. Well, maybe attempt to number 5 will be it. So come back tomorrow and see the start of that account.